Hey lovelies, this is Annie with Annie Marie. Today I'll be showing you how to turn a plain cotton t-shirt from looking like this to this. And I'll be showing you all the tools we'll be using and the step-by-step process in a jiffy. Don't go anywhere. The first tool is a rhinestone board. This comes pre-made and can be purchased from a good fashion arts and crafts store within your neighborhood or online. I'll be using the Silhoutte design in this video, and I'll be showing you in another video how to create your own design templates. Next are rhinestones. Of course, there won't be any Bling's design without them, right? So choose a color that works for your design and goes with your fabric. Here I'll be using Swarovski rhinestones for their brilliance and glittery effect. Next is a transfer sheet. It helps to transfer the rhinestone design from the stone board to our plain cotton t-shirt. It comes with a white backing for storage, and in most cases it is reusable. Next is a wax pencil. Now this helps with the proper placement of rhinestones in the design template and also the removal of excess rhinestones from the template. Next is a tweezer. Now this is used to remove rhinestones that do not have glue from the transfer sheet and replace them with the ones with glue. It is used to pick out and rearrange rhinestones that are upside down after hitting the design with a heat press or an iron. A squeegee. Now this helps to adhere the created rhinestone design on the stone board to the transfer sheet before taking it to the heat press. A t-shirt ruler. Now this helps with the design placement, ensuring the design is properly aligned and centered on the t-shirt. You can also eyeball the design placement if you don't have a t-shirt ruler. A length ruler. This helps to remove length, dirt and frayed thread from the surface of the t-shirt before placing the design on it. You can also use a clean and soft cotton fabric to do this. A foam spreads the rhinestone across the stone board, ensuring they fall into the holes. It also reduces rhinestone placement time. A heat press would activate the glue on the rhinestone, thereby adhering the design on the t-shirt. Place your design template on a flat and stable surface. Pour your rhinestone in a bowl to keep it from scattering all over your work table. Now carefully pour the rhinestones directly on the design templates. Using the foam, spread out the rhinestones evenly across your design template, ensuring they get fixed into the holes. I'll be using the wax pencil to remove the excess rhinestones and also fix few ones into the holes properly. Now that the rhinestones are all in place, giving the desired effect, it is time to use the transfer sheet. Carefully peel off the transfer sheet from the protective backing and carefully place your transfer sheet over your template. Make sure it goes over it smoothly. You can use your hands to smoothen it out or use your squeegee. Now carefully flip over your transfer sheet, exposing the rhinestones. Then using a tweezer, carefully identify and remove rhinestones without glue, then replace them with the ones with glue. This saves you from having a design with gaps and incomplete rhinestones. Set your heat press at 327 to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, pressure at medium to heavy, then place your t-shirt on it and press it for 2 to 5 seconds. This is to remove moisture and get it ready to accept your design. Use a Teflon sheet if yours doesn't come with one inbuilt. Now using your length ruler, remove frayed thread, dirt and length from the surface of your t-shirt. Now this process can be done before preheating the t-shirt or after preheating the t-shirt. It depends on your personal preference. Place the t-shirt ruler around the t-shirt collar, ensuring it is well centered. Now place the transfer sheet carrying the rhinestone design on the t-shirt, aligning it with the t-shirt ruler. Make sure the design is well centered and 2 to 3 inches below the collar. Then remove the t-shirt ruler. Now press for 10 to 15 seconds. You can also flip over the t-shirt to press for additional 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure you use a Teflon sheet or a butcher paper if your heat press does not have one already installed. Once the machine beeps, raise the handle, allow it to cool for a while, and then remove the transfer sheet diagonally and gently. Now you may notice some heat lines on the t-shirt. Don't worry, it might look discolored, you know, and look different from the normal color of the t-shirt. Just allow it to cool for a while and your t-shirt will be back to normal. Our beautiful custom designed rhinestone t-shirt is done and dusted. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts at the comment section, and share this video to friends and family so that they will also benefit from this tutorial. Until later, lovelies. Ciao.